Welcome to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling and Gino Franti, where you get your daily dose of real estate market update. And today I'm going to dust off something we haven't talked about in maybe a year and a half, Don.
Well, g'day, mates. Today we have the Boomerang buyer. I had to open it that way. Yes, we have Boomerang buyers are back. What is a Boomerang buyer?
Well, I had to ask you because I was like, what is that, Don? And I love the headline. The reality is it's those who are coming back into the market, those who have suffered some sort of hardship and lost a home during the Great Recession, which they called it, right? It was a mini depression, let's be honest. It was pretty bad. And the person who's most likely to buy a home is someone who's owned one in the past. So let's talk about how many people lost homes over the last 7 to 10 years, Don.
Oh, 3 or 4. No, actually, over 7 million of us, a lot of us, I mean, everybody knows someone. If it wasn't us, it was
Family
you,
member.
it was a family member. 7 million people lost their home due to some kind of hardship, just between 2006 and 2014. The good news is 2014 alone, 350,000 of those people were able to get back into a home, and it's going to double in 2015.
That was what I was going to say, Don. Is more exciting that in 2015 there's the opportunity for 700,000 to get in at the back into the market. And even more exciting is $2.2 million over the next 5 years. What this report doesn't take into consideration is new loan product that's being created. This is with today's guidelines. So what I anticipate is that as we create new loan product and get a little more flexible in the lending world, that number from 2.2 will be closer to 3 or 4 million, recovering most of those that lost a home.
There you go, because right now the main product that a lot of you are able to utilize as a great product is FHA at 3.5% down. And FHA just lowered their mortgage insurance to make it even more affordable. That's really helped a lot of people. So within 3 years, you're getting back into the market 2 years after a bankruptcy. But there are new products that are able to get people in as little as 2 years after a short sale or foreclosure. Now, it requires a higher down payment, a little higher interest rate because the risk is higher. But what Gino's getting at is there's more and more product, more and more opportunities for you to get back in the market. You need to research them. You don't require 20% down. In fact, you're going to love this next slide. I'll let Gino dive in on it.
I do love this next slide because years ago, this slide was completely opposite. We used to have the majority of our buyers putting 20 or 30 or even 50% down, all cash. We had a tremendous amount of buyers. But now we're going to take credit for this, Don. We've been telling everybody on the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show for 4 years that the biggest myth is you need a large down payment. That's just not true. We've talked about it many times on this show. You can come in with as little as 0% down if you're a veteran.
We love our vets, and it's 0 down. That's why 83% of you are able to get into a home for less than 3% down. And that's because we're taking account VA buyers at 0% down, FHA 3.5% down. You can get 5% down. There's so many options out there you need to look into, but do it now before rates continue to go up and before prices, which will go up, market. We've been telling you for years now that it's going to keep going up. So make sure you tune in daily to the National Real Estate Cafe. You can do that easily. Have it sent right to your phone by texting NREC to 58885. And check out our website, nrecafe.com.